هلا وغلا، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كالعادة نعدل نفسنا أول شيء، نشوف الإضاءة أوكي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. قبل كل شيء أعرفكم على الضيف اللي راح تدخل عندنا اليوم. I will introduce her in Arabic first. هذه اسمها وردة ناديات والا، هي زوج ساجد ناديات والا المنتج المعروف الكبير في السينما الهندية، وهي تعمل أيضا في نظام الإنتاج، وهي الحين دخلت عن she is now with us. I will enter her.
Can we hear?
I believe line is
Yeah.
busy maybe.
Can you hear me?
Yes, salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you?
I'm
كيف
fine,
الحال؟
Warda. How are you?
كيف الحالك؟
Alhamdulillah. I know you speaking Arabic very well, mashallah.
Yeah, I have a friend she lives in Dubai. So
Okay.
she teaches me quite a lot of things, yeah. The spoken Arabic. But of course, Quran Sharif Arabic, I understand a lot of it.
You know your name is Warda and it's Arabic name.
Yes, yes. My grandfather
And
gave me that name because he was very fond of one family little girl called Varda. And so it's actually Varda Al Mariam Khan.
Wow, okay.
It's a very long name.
And you know Warda meaning in Arabic rose, pool,
Shukran.
pool gulab ka.
Pool Gulab Ka, yes. And it is my favorite pool also. Always in my house. I love the roses. MashaAllah.
Okay. First of all, you need me to speak with you in Arabic or English or Hindi.
Oh, I think I think English. You know Hindi?
English, not Hindi. English, little bit.
English. Okay.
थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है.
That'll be great. But you watch Hindi movies, Bollywood movies?
Yeah, of course. Did you see this guy behind me?
Dharmendra ji.
Yes.
Oh, yes. He's one of the original rock stars of Bollywood. My God, we all love him. Love him so much.
He's my idol. And because of him, I watch in Bollywood and I learned Hindi a little bit. मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी सीखा धर्मेंद्र की वजह से, धर्म जी की वजह से.
Oh, that is so cool. And what good songs he has. So many beautiful songs in his movies.
Oh
He's
yeah.
done one of a movie with Sajid also. He's there in one of Sajid's movies also.
I'm going to this point now.
Oh.
At the beginning.
Oh, my sister Aruza Khan is saying, looking pretty baji. Thank you. Sorry, I just took that chat because I was very excited. I'm on to. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Warda, first of all, सब जानते हैं कि आप साजिद नादियात वाले की वाइफ हो और उनके साथ कई फिल्मों में काम भी किए हैं आपने और प्रोड्यूस भी किए हैं कुछ फिल्मों, कुछ very good and very big budget movies. Yeah. And Sajid Nadia Wala grandson company is really very well known company. It's computing big industry company in Bollywood. यानी सबसे बड़ी अच्छी फिल्में जो है आजकल हम ग्रैंडसन नाडिया वाले की फिल्म देखते हैं और आपका बहुत अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन है. आप कभी कभी अक्षय कुमार के साथ, कभी कभी सलमान खान के साथ फिल्म बनाते हैं, तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बजट की फिल्म से माशाल्लाह.
Yes, mashallah. And actually, what do I call you? Hamad or Rayami?
Yes.
How do I address you?
Wow. Yes, Hamad.
So I can call you that, right? So Mr. Hamad,
Yeah.
actually, Sajid, yes, he's a man with big visions. He believes in larger than life cinemas. He believes in he believes in transporting people to a different world. Because he feels cinema is all about fantasy, dreamland, where people come in to forget about their worries. And, you know, those 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours, it should be just a beautiful world, them and their dream. So he believes in larger-than-life stories also, like if you've seen recently how most of her films, Houseful was like from Punarjanam. and it was like for a comedy film to have that kind of a budget was so cool. And Buggy, of course, which was also a big budget film. So yes, Sajid loves it. He is not conjuice. He never compromises on his work. Never. He's very selfish when it comes to work. He's like, my audience come there to see, to have a good time, and I want to make sure they have a good time.
Wow.
And so he collaborates also with directors who have that kind of big visions. So all of directors also, alhamdulillah, he's got all the people who have that kind of big visions and larger than life kind of thing. Sorry, you were asking me something, Hamad.
Yeah, I believe that's so many people who's working with Sajid. उनका साजिद के ऊपर बहुत बड़ा भरोसा रहता है, चाहे वो टेक्नीशियन हो, चाहे वो म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हो, या चाहे लिरिक्स हो, या फिर एक्टर्स, स्पेशली सुपरस्टार्स. They have very big faith on Sajid. For that reason, I see a variety of movies and variety of superstars working together in one movie. For instance, जब 80s में जब मैं छोटा था, मैंने एक अच्छी फिल्म देखी थी 85 में, हमारे सुपरस्टार लेजेंडरी धर्मेंद्र की गुलामी. ये फिल्म नादिया वाला ने बनाई थी वो जमाने में.
Oh, you remember that? Yes, Gulami was one of his chacha's films, one of his uncle's films, and Sajid was doing everything. He was like a production boy. He was like a spot person, you know, like running around and doing. So he has started, even though he's blue blood when it comes to Bollywood. He's born in that family which made bigger films and larger than life movies. But he started from scratch. Yeah. From absolute scratch. Yes, Gulami was his first movie. I am so happy you know that.
I know that, and I even I heard his interview. I read his interview in very old magazines like Stardust or Shama, I think, in Urdu. He said that we take long time to finish Gulami, more than 5-6 years. And we have financial problem in that time. And Dharamji was helping us so much, even with JP Dadda. He helped JP Dadda so much to complete the movie Gulami.
Yes, Dharamji is known for being a very generous actor. He is a producer's delight, a director's delight. It is like, I was not married to Sajid that time, but everything that I've heard about Dharamji is just too good to be true. Yes. He's a very great man. He's a good man. And a great actor, of course.
This piece will go to Dharamji and he will replace you. वर्दा मैम, मैं ये आपको एक पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आपकी सबसे अच्छी कॉम्बिनेशन किस फिल्म के साथ थी? यानी सबसे अच्छी फिल्म आप में कौन सी फिल्म प्रोड्यूस की आपके नजर में? I know it is difficult.
Sajid ki, to be very honest, Hamad, I love all his movies. They like, it is like, अपने बच्चों में से आपके अगर 25-26 बच्चे हैं तो आपका बच्चा कौन सा सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट है? तो वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है. उनकी सारी फिल्में मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है बिकॉज साजिद एक वाहिद ऐसे इंसान है. आई डोंट नो वाहिद, बट मैनी मे बी, बट ही इज वन मैन जो स्क्रिप्ट को बार बार पढ़ेंगे, फिर रखेंगे साइड में, फिर अगले हफ्ते पढ़ेंगे. तो जब तक कि स्क्रिप्ट दिल को नहीं छुएगी तब तक कि वो ग्रीन लाइट नहीं करेंगे. तो हिज फिल्म्स आर नॉट जस्ट कि चलो फिल्म बनाते हैं. हिज फिल्म्स आर कि फिल्म बनाते हैं. हर एक लाइन, ये कैसे कैरेक्टर होगा, वो कैसे कैरेक्टर्स होगा, फिर डायरेक्टर्स के साथ बैठ के कि तुम्हारा कैरेक्टर क्या बोल रहा है, वो क्या दिख रहा है, वो क्या सोच रहा है भी साजिद को समझना है. सो बहुत इट्स अ वेरी, ही डज इट वेरी साइंटिफिकली, गेट्स इनटू द मूवी. तो इसीलिए उनकी सारी पिक्चरें मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. बट मेरी हॉट फेवरेट दो, मैं इसीलिए मेरे दिल के ज्यादा करीब है बिकॉज एक थी हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा, जब मेरी साजिद ने हाँ बोल दी थी कि ठीक है मैं इससे शादी कर लूंगा एंड मुझसे शादी करोगी, क्योंकि वो मेरे शादी के बाद सबसे पहली पिक्चर. तो ये दोनों मेरे लिए बहुत डियर है.
वाओ, ये दोनों फिल्म तो सलमान खान की मूवीज है. हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा और मुझसे शादी करोगे. एक में तो अक्षय कुमार भी है. इसलिए मेरा ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है क्योंकि ये ज्यादातर हम जानते हैं साजिद की इतनी बड़ी रिलेशनशिप है इन लोगों के साथ. अक्षय कुमार या सलमान खान?
यस, अक्षय कुमार एंड सलमान खान, अगेन इट्स लाइक आपके दो भाइयों में से आपके कौन से फेवरेट है? सो सो
I know.
अक्षय कुमार आई वुड से इज लाइक हिज, वो उनके बहुत बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, बहुत बेस्ट फ्रेंड। जैसे अभी हम लोग एक बिल्डिंग में भी हैं तो दोनों का रोज मिलना एंड प्लानिंग करना, ऑफ कोर्स ऋतिक भी है तो ये लोग सब मिलकर प्लानिंग करते हैं
Yeah.
कि बिल्डिंग के लिए क्या अच्छा भी, जैसे आज साइक्लोन का स्केयर था तो इन लोगों ने सब जनरेटर्स और सारा प्लानिंग की, क्या करना है, गॉड फॉरबिड, प्लान ए प्लान बी प्लान सी सब प्लान करके रहता था। तो अक्षय कुमार इनके बचपन के दोस्त हैं, स्कूल के दोस्त हैं साजिद
Yes.
के। एंड सलमान खान भाई ब्रदर्स, मतलब
Yeah.
सच्ची में ब्रदर्स। लाइक मैं कल ही किसी को बोल रही थी कि मेरी शादी के बाद सलमान खान मुझे हेट भी करते थे थोड़ा बहुत, बिकॉज आई थिंक सो, बिकॉज उनको लगता था कि ये इसने मेरे दोस्त को मुझसे छीन लिया, बिकॉज ये दोनों बहुत एक साथ ऐसे रहते थे। बट थैंकफुली माशाल्लाह देयर बॉन्ड इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, देयर
Okay.
ब्रदर्स।
So ये तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा, आप किसको चुनेंगे, लेकिन ये मुझे ये सवाल का आप जरूर जवाब देना। सबसे बुरी फिल्म कौन सी प्रोड्यूस की है नाडियाड वाला ने आपकी नजर में?
सबसे बड़ी
बुरी बुरी बैड मूवी।
बैड
Yeah.
मूवी, yalla nothing। एक भी बैड फिल्म नहीं आई है अब तक की। आई थिंक उनकी सारी फिल्में जेम्स है। इट्स एक इतना अच्छा बुके बना के रखा है साजिद ने जिसमें हर जॉनर की पिक्चर्स है। yalla no,
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना, जैसे कि मैं क्यों मैंने ये फिल्म बनाई, क्यों ये फिल्म में हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कभी होता है ना कभी जिंदगी में?
नहीं, बिकॉज साजिद लाइक आई सेड हमद वो बहुत सोचते हैं और वो हाथ डालते हैं एक बार ही, जब बहुत सोचा बहुत समझा। he actually takes a long time. I don't think I'll be wrong if I said he takes like about a year to understand the film, फिर उसको ग्रीन लाइट करते हैं। तो बहुत सोच समझ के करते हैं, तो आई थिंक वो रिग्रेट होने का चांस आता ही नहीं है कभी भी।
Maybe all people they are agree with you. मुझे ऐसा
Did you
लगता है
agree?
सब बोल रहे हैं।
I want
Yeah,
to
yeah,
see
सब बोल रहे
Yalla
हैं कि
Habibi. Somebody said, Prakash said, not bad movie. Shinchan, Chikara. Afifa said, best movies, love you. Dipti Jindal, all movies are close to their heart. Azhar Rafiq says, thank you. Sorry, Hamad, I'm taking those. Varda ma'am, yes, tell me.
yeah.
Khana
अच्छा,
Sora, that's my Aman. Hi, Mama, Assalamualaikum.
माशाल्लाह मामा है।
Yeah, my mom also came. She also came.
Wow.
And Bhushan Kilari. All my favorite people are coming up. Darshan,
Assalamu
yes,
alaikum,
Kaku. Mama, Hamid is saying Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, Hamid.
Welcome.
Bhushan, Sandhu, Akshay sir, best. Mama is sending emojis.
अक्षय सर है या ये अक्षय सर बोल रहे हैं?
Yeah, he is Akshay's very big fan. So
okay.
मेरे हैंडल पे, इंस्टा हैंडल पे मैक्सिमम अक्षय के फैंस हैं, सलमान के फैंस हैं, टाइगर के फैंस हैं। तो ये तीनों की फैंस सबसे ज्यादा है। बट यस, वरुण वगैरह के भी फैंस हैं, दे आल्सो देयर, दे लाइक मी, बट ये तीनों के सबसे
ज्यादातर फैन। फिर भी आपकी जो कंपनी है सुपरस्टार्स के साथ फिल्में की है, चाहे वो पहले पिछले जमाने की या आजकल, जैसे सलमान खान, अक्षय कुमार, वरुण धवन, रणबीर कपूर, रणवीर सिंह, टाइगर श्रॉफ, इन सब के साथ आपने?
यस, that's word. Hamid, mashallah, I didn't even realize that. Blessed, really. He's
बट वर्दा, आप अभी थोड़ा मैं गाना का सिलसिला चलाऊंगा आपके साथ, क्योंकि आप गाना गाने लगे हैं। एक गाना है आपका जो आजकल, ये जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, आजकल मैं वो बाथरूम में भी गाने गाता रहता हूँ, कभी कभी गुनगुनाता रहता हूँ, क्योंकि ये आवाज जो आपकी है, या ये जो आपकी आवाज है, इसमें एक ऐसी झलक है और कशिश है कि ये गाना आप पे सूट रहता है, किसी और पे सूट नहीं दिखता है। जैसे कि पहले जमाने में आपको याद है फिल्म शान में, दोस्तों से प्यार किया, दुश्मनों से प्यार किया, जो भी किया हमने किया शान से, वो किसकी आवाज थी? वो जो सिंगर थी उनकी आवाज रंभा, आई थिंक, आई फॉरगेट हर नेम, लता मंगेशकर पे सूट नहीं होती, आशा भोसले पे सूट नहीं होती, ओनली उन पे सूट होती थी। तो ये गाना जो है ये आप पे सूट होता है।
That was Usha Utap. Yes.
Yeah,
oh,
Usha,
thank
yes.
you so much, शुक्रान हमाद। या मुझे बहुत मजा आया ये गाने में। मैं खुद को भी
तो
बात
गाने का सिलसिला कैसे शुरू हुआ आपके साथ? किसने
Sorry?
आपको ये आइडिया दिया? ये आइडिया कैसा आया गाने का, और आपने कौन आपको इंकरेज किया कि आप ये गाना गाए?
साजिद।
Of
साजिद
course.
तो एक्चुअली जो अभी इस वक्त हमारे प्लैनेट अर्थ के हालात हैं, Priyal Gala is saying 1.2 million. Thank you, Priyal. She's my
Thank
favorite. She's from NG marketing team. तो yes, हमद मैं काफ़ी एक्टिव रहती हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है। तो मैं टिकटॉक वीडियोस बनाती थी एंड कुछ ना कुछ मस्ती करती रहती थी। तो साजिद मुझे हमेशा बोलते थे, ही वुड ऑलवेज टेल मी कि आप कोविड वॉरियर्स, फ्रंटलाइन वॉरियर्स को थैंक यू बोलो। ये इतना अपनी जान की परवाह नहीं करते हैं, कैसे लोग हैं, यू नो, दे आर, हाउ मच लव दे हैव इन देयर हार्ट फॉर पीपल। वो जाके किसी के लिए मेहनत करते हैं, ये वो। तो अब उनको थैंक यू बोलो। देन ही जस्ट सेड वन फाइन डे कि क्यों नहीं आप एक गाना बनाओ। So I was like, but I can't. You think I can sing? He said, yeah, you're okay singer, not bad. But singing से ज़्यादा आपकी जो intention है, जो आप बोलना चाहते हो बात, वो गाने के जरिए ज़्यादा जल्दी पहुँचेगी। और humorously बोलो, because I'm a little funny person. तो he said, आप humorously बोलो। तो अब humorously मैं सिर्फ फरहाद समझी से relate करती हूँ, because he's one of the very finest writers. He's got the best humor. तो फिर मैंने फरहाद से बात की एंड फरहाद बहुत अच्छे इंसान है। मतलब उनके दिल में भी बहुत पेन होता है लोगों का, वो समझते हैं जज्बात को जल्दी। हमें 2 दिन, just 2 days he took to write the song, compose the thing, make the tune. In 2 days the song was ready and और ये पूरा हमने आईफोन पे शूट किया।
Oh, wow.
Everything. So Subhan was sitting with me. My son Subhan has helped me a lot in recording everything, each bit, and communicating between Aditya, sending mails and everything. Sajid was monitoring everything. तो जब मैं गा भी रही थी तो ये लोग थे कि फीलिंग से गाओ। अब जब दिल से गाओगे तो वो लोगों के दिल को छुएगा। फरहाद ने भी वही कहा, साजिद ने वो कहा, मेरे हस्बैंड ने। फिर हमने बस गाया एंड फिर सुभान ने शूट किया पूरा गाना मेरे लिए। पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट सुभान का था कि मम्मा ऐसे करते हैं आप, बिकॉज टिकटॉक करने की शौकीन हो तो हर छोटे छोटे ब्रेक्स में करते हैं। फिर एक दिन हम शूट कर रहे थे तो साजिद आ गए एंड साजिद ने कहा कि I have this habit of making faces, funny faces and all that. So Sajid said, what are you doing? Stop it. Don't make those faces. Feel it. Feel as if you are actually saying this to people.
Yes.
So that's how I think उसमें, उस गाने में रूह आई, सच्चाई आई, जो फरहाद बोल रहे थे, जो सुभान was saying, that I was saying, and what Sajid was saying. So eventually I think that's the soul that really connected.
Wow.
Intentions, niyat was
yes,
so pure.
Yeah. मैंने कई songs सुने हैं, so many songs about lockdown, about coronavirus, especially from Indian celebrities. लेकिन जो आपका गाना है वो छा गया है। मैं सच्चाई से बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं एक क्रिटिक हूँ, कोई ऐसा वैसा बोलने वाला नहीं। तो मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ कि आपका जो गाना, उसके बोल वेरी सिंपल है और आपका जो अंदाज है गाने का वो बहुत छा गया और कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत सही।
Shukran, Habibi, shukran. Thank you. Now I can call you my Habibi. You're my friend. Thank you so much.
अभी मैं सुनना चाहता हूँ वो आपसे वो गाना फिर से, तो कुछ बोल।
Oh, okay, I will sing.
Yes.
जान की परवाह किए बिना खाकी वाले तैनात है, तेरे हाथों की नफ्स जो चलती है उसमें किसी नर्स का हाथ है। फिक्र ना कर, शुक्र तू कर, तेरे देश का ये है सहारा। फक्र तू कर, शुक्र तू कर, आज इन सब को तू यारा। ये जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा, ये जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा।
Wow,
That's how
wow.
it started. Thank you.
So nice of you. अभी गाने का जब सिलसिला शुरू हुआ तो अभी थोड़ा और ज्यादा उसको वॉल्यूम देंगे।
Please.
सबसे बेहतरीन सबसे बेहतरीन म्यूजिकल या सबसे बेहतरीन म्यूजिक किस फिल्म की थी नाडियाडवाला की कंपनी की आपकी नजर, जिसमें गाने भरपूर थे, सब अच्छे थे?
Hamad, you really want to get me in trouble?
No.
So
Okay, I will give you some choices. I will give you some choices. All is good. I know. Every movie, हर मूवी अच्छी है, गाने भी अच्छी थी हर मूवी में. लेकिन मैं 3 मूवी चुनूंगा. आप इस 3 से एक फिल्म चुनना.
that will make
जीत,
my work. Yes.
जीत,
Yes.
हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा, या फिल्म जुड़वा पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2.
Oh, very, 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 very difficult. Because जीत में एक गाना था. So actually मैं एक टाइम के लिए आई वॉज अवे एंड जीत में एक गाना था और मुझे ऐसा लगता था जब भी साजिद वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन मी एट ऑल. बिल्कुल यू नो इन इंडिया भी से घास नहीं डालना, लाइक नॉट गिविंग अ डैम अबाउट मी. सो एक गाना था, तू धरती पे चाहे जहां भी रहेगी. दैट वाज माय फेवरेट. और मुझे लगता था ये गाना साजिद ने मेरे लिए बनाया. आई जस्ट इन माय ओन वर्ल्ड आई यूज्ड टू लाइक इट. सो दैट वाज माय फेवरेट. एंड हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा, अगेन यार व्हाट लवली सॉन्ग्स. वो उसे हंसना भी होगा, उसे रोना भी होगा, सुबह शाम तन्हाई में आहें भरेगा, हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा. So you see, Hamad, it's very difficult because every film has my one favorite. Judwa has.
Of course.
Judwa, I like that tan 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 tara tan 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 tara. So of course, both the songs are very nice. But if I have to really pick, I would say Har Dil Jo Pyar Karega.
Wow. Okay. इसमें भी एक ऐसा भी गाना है उसमें, दिल 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 दीवाना हो गया रे. That's very nice song.
God, Hamad, you really have heard everything. Swanky Sari, hi. Your voice is beautiful voice, ma'am. Thank you, Shinjanwara.
Thank you so much.
Swanky Saris again from our marketing team. Thank you, Hamad.
Before 3 years back, in 2017, there was audio release for movie Tube Light. सलमान खान की जो मूवी थी, वो गाना रिलीज कर रहे थे दुबई में, जो गाना था सजन रेडियो. जब वो प्रेस हो गया खत्म, मैंने सलमान खान से कुछ पूछताछ की. जब मैं बाहर निकला अपनी गाड़ी के पास, तो मैं साजिद आपके शोहर को देखा बाहर, तो उनसे मिला. I'm wearing like this, and I go to him. Oh, Sajid, how are you? He see me like this. You know me? Yeah, I know you are Sajid Nagatwala. Are you coming for Kick 2? मैं पूछा क्या आप आ रहे हैं यहाँ Kick 2 बनाने के लिए, सलमान के साथ पूछताछ करने के लिए. तो वो ऐसा पूछ रहे थे. मैं बाद में बात करूंगा आपसे, बाद में तो चले गए. तो Kick 2 कब बनने वाली है?
Kick 2, yes. Ada Sayed, hi, I love you, baby. Afifa, I saw. Hi, Afifa, I love you. These are my sister-in-law. I'm just saying hi to every Khanam Zora again, saying every movie, mashallah. Sorry, Hamad. So, yes, Kick 2, actually, Sajid पे इतना pressure आ गया ना, because first film में ही 2 double century मारा साजिद ने, and वो भी film बहुत close है साजिद के दिल के, because वो फिल्म exactly वैसी है जैसे सलमान खान है. मतलब not exactly, मतलब जो emotions उनके दिल में है, लोगों को help करना, and एकदम मतलब जब कोई जिसकी आपने हेल्प किया उसकी खुशी देख के खुद इतना खुश होना, तो दैट इज सलमान, दैट इज साजिद. तो वो साजिद एक्चुअली वो डायरेक्टर बने थे बाय डिफॉल्ट, बाय द वे. आई होप यू नो दैट. तो बाय डिफॉल्ट डायरेक्टर बने थे. बट यस, किक 2 की एक बहुत खूबसूरत स्क्रिप्ट तैयार हो रही है, जो उसमें बट उसमें अभी खाली कुछ चीजें डालना है जो और अच्छी हो, बिकॉज साजिद कैसे रहता है कि इट हैज टू मूव मी, इट हैज टू टच माय हार्ट, एंड सलमान नाउ इज यू नो हिज इमेज इज टू बिग, इट हैज टू बी बिगर देन दैट, और इट हैज टू मैच. तो वो उसमें कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं कर सकते. ही इज सेइंग कि मैं बड़े थोड़ा टाइम ले लूं, बट ही विल कम आउट सून. Kick 2 will happen soon. Devi Lal is coming. दिल में और समझ में दोनों में आएंगे.
Cross the finger about किक 2 एंड अभी मैं ये भी पूछना चाहता हूँ, हाउसफुल मैंने देखी थी, पूरे फ्रेंचाइज मैंने पूरी देख ली। जब पिछला पार्ट जो फोर्थ नंबर था, उसमें कई कई लोगों ने क्रिटिसाइज किया था कि ये मूवी कौन सी कॉमेडी मूवी है, ऐसी कॉमेडी बनती नहीं है, ऐसी कॉमेडी असली नहीं है। तो मैं भी एक आई एम आल्सो क्रिटिक, आई डिड इन 2 लैंग्वेजेस,
Yes,
ताकि
please.
इंडियन लोग भी समझे कि मैं क्या बोलने वाला था। एक अरबी में मैं बोला था, इसका क्रिटिक किया था मूवी हाउसफुल 4 का, और हिंदी में भी किया था। मैंने बोला था ये फिल्म के बारे में कि ये फिल्म एक दूसरे लेवल की कॉमेडी है। इसको कॉमेडी हम बोलते हैं स्पूफ कॉमेडी। स्पूफ
Yeah.
कॉमेडी का मतलब ये है जैसे कि आप पुलिस अकादमी या फिर स्केरी मूवी फ्रॉम
Yeah.
हॉलीवुड, ये इसको बोलते हैं स्पूफ कॉमेडी। आपने स्पूफ कॉमेडी समझी नहीं, इसलिए आप बोल रहे थे कि ये फिल्म कौन सी कॉमेडी है, हमको समझ में नहीं आई, हमको हंसी नहीं आई। नहीं, सिनेमा हॉल में
Yeah.
बहुत लोग हंस रहे थे, लेकिन जो
Yeah.
बाहर के लोग क्रिटिसाइज करते, सुबह 10 बजे आते फिल्म देखने के लिए, वो बोल रहे थे नहीं हमको हंसी नहीं आई। तो आपको कब हंसी आएगी? आपने कॉफी भी नहीं पिया, पॉपकॉर्न अच्छी तरह से नहीं खाया, और फिल्म देख लिया, आपको हंसी नहीं आई। सो this movie, in my opinion, it should be not stopped, and I believe there is 5 coming or no. That's my question.
Shukran, Hamad, shukran, really. You know, actually, इस फिल्म मेरा नाम जिधर जुड़ता है ना, उधर कंट्रोवर्सी और ट्रबल्स आ ही जाते हैं. So ये मेरी पहली फिल्म थी as a producer. My name was in the title also, in the credits.
Yes.
So yeah, I brought in a lot of controversy, and मुझे सच्ची समझ में नहीं आया कि ये controversy किस बात की थी. Like इतना trending हो रहा था, ये हो रहा था. People were loving it in the cinemas. Hamad, like you said, we have this habit of personally going to the cinemas and watching the reaction. People were loving it. Each line, each dialogue. आपको comedy में कहाँ ऐसा पुनर्जन्म, ऐसे costumes, and you know the characters, Bala का character and Ritesh doing Achal, Na and all that, कहाँ देखने मिलता है? ये ऐसे costumes and larger than life. उसके VFX में ही कितना खर्च हुआ था, and कितना time and कितनी passion के साथ किया था. You see that Haveli and everything was so beautifully done. In fact, एक गाना था, if you remember, Chammo, that Chammo song in the palace.
Yes.
Sajid was, if you see that set also, उसमें भी इतना खर्च किया गया है, इतने passion के साथ वो set, वो खुद खड़े होके उन्होंने supervise किया था. And each thing, if you see the detailing, na Hamad, is so beautifully done. The humor was on point, writing was on point, the actors as always were on point, direction was on point. But somehow इस फिल्म के साथ या कहीं ना कहीं controversy जुड़ी हुई थी. But they say ना, जब वो चाहता है कि hit हो तो hit है, फिर आप
Yes.
जो बोलोगे वो थोड़ी होगा. Like 10 people also they want to sabotage or whatever. Doesn't matter. Yeah, guess, do whatever you want to, but it will get what it is destined to get. It's written.
Okay.
It
Yes.
was a beautiful
Yeah.
film. I really
Yeah.
didn't understand all the whatever controversies that was around it.
Yeah, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि किसी की आवाज थी, वो आवाज अपनी और ऊंची करना चाहता था, लेकिन वो आवाज उसकी ऊंची नहीं हो सकी क्योंकि पब्लिक ने उसकी आवाज को धीमी करके चुप करा दिया.
Absolutely. You put it more beautifully. आपने और beautifully बोला हमें. Yes.
Yeah. फिर भी 5 बनने
Yeah.
वाली है, और कौन मुझे पता है अक्षय कुमार, रितेश देशमुख तो रहेंगे फिल्म के
Yes.
अंदर, लेकिन अभी कौन आने वाला है तीसरे as a third leading actor? Is it Sam
Houseful
Bobby Deol or
5? In Houseful
yeah, and
5?
5? Yeah.
मैं एक खाली clue मैं बोलूंगी.
Okay.
There will be some new people, and there will be lots of everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, all hopefully.
Okay. ये कौन सा
And-
क्लू हो गया? ये तो बहुत मुश्किल हो गया.
You will not believe, Hamad, Houseful 5 का एक idea अभी generate हुआ है, and
Okay.
so Sajid was saying it, talking about it. It's beautiful, hilarious. Again, it's going to be Madhouse.
Great. Great.
Madhouse.
Okay. एक 5 seconds का ब्रेक दूंगा आपको मैं.
Yes.
आपके लिए हमारा कहवा पेश खिदमत है. ये अरबिक कहवा है.
I love it. Khajur.
I will tell
How
you.
about?
Yeah, I will tell you about our tradition. हमारा जो tradition है वो क्या है? हम गहवा को इसमें क्वार्टर डालते हैं, क्वार्टर, not full. पेश करते
Oh,
हैं विजिटर को क्वार्टर ओनली. ये आपके लिए. ओके.
Shukran.
आप जब पी लेते हो ये पूरा, अगर आपको और चाहिए तो आप ऐसा दिखाते हो अपने हाथ से.
Yeah.
अगर आपको बस I'm finished, I don't want more, you will do like this.
Oh, you have
जैसे कि
to.
मुंडी के लिए है.
This is the way you say it. Okay, okay.
Yeah. अगर आपने ऐसा नहीं किया तो वो गहवा देते जाएगा जब तक आपको मैं क्या बोलूं अभी.
Oh,
That's our tradition.
now I understand.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the way. Hey, you saw my cup? It says.
Yeah.
Warda.
Wow. In Arabic, oh, Warda.
Yes.
It's Urdu written in Arabic, Warda. Nice.
That friend of mine, Maha from Dubai, she's the one who gifted me this.
Very good.
I have Arabic kava with me. I will now ask them to make it. I just went to Umrah in November for our anniversary.
MashaAllah.
I picked lots of kawas and came.
I saw your pictures with Sajid and Umrah, MashaAllah.
You saw?
Yeah, I saw it. I put it in my
you
promotion.
put it in this thing also. Yes. Masjid in Abdul, yes.
Okay, I will play with you a small game.
Yes, please.
It's very small and it's very light, and I hope that it's not be difficult for you. Before answering comments and questions, this game is about your company movies. I will give you the names in Arabic, and you should know what's the title in Hindi.
Okay, that will be very interesting. Give me easy ones, Hamad. Give me clues.
And you will find some people. You will find some people will help you. You can't read the comments, no problem.
I can, right?
Yeah,
Hi,
you
your
can.
friend Tanmay. Hi.
लेकिन जब मैं नाम बोलूंगा अरबी में, आप मेरा इशारा भी देख लेना.
Yes.
मेरा जब इशारा देखेंगे तो आप समझ जाएंगे मैं कौन सी फिल्म का जिक्र कर रहा हूँ.
Zuban.
Okay.
My son is also sitting. I'm asking him to help me.
Okay. First movie in Arabic.
Yeah.
Al-Rakla. Al-Rakla.
Cake.
Yes. Cake.
Yay! But is
Rakla
it
means
the
cake.
cake? You said the cake. Al is the, right?
Yeah, the cake. The cake. Yes. Rakla only cake.
Yeah, let's see.
Rakla.
I know a little bit.
Very good. Okay, we'll go for some little bit difficulty.
Ooh.
هل ستتزوجيني؟
मुझसे शादी करोगी?
Yes.
Yes. Not bad. I'm proud of myself too.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah. Even you didn't take any help from anybody. Wow. I love that you have a huge number of movies, so I have more name.
Oh. Bring it
Third
on.
one. كامل العدد.
Kamil is
كامل
complete.
العدد.
Complete. Kamil is complete. The heart.
العدد.
जो प्यार करेगा? No.
العدد. What is the meaning of this?
Houseful.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Houseful.
Yes, houseful.
Whoa.
Yes.
Oh,
Houseful.
Kamil
كامل
is
العدد.
also.
Yeah, we put an Arabic board in the cinema, كامل العدد, which means houseful.
Oh, so in there the titles are put in Arabic also.
Yeah, كامل العدد.
Oh wow! Oh wow! Wow!
We don't
I'm
know.
missing Dubai now. I'm missing Dubai so much. Really.
You should come.
Yeah, we always go there. Kids always like whenever there is a sudden break, they always want to go to Dubai. And you will not believe we are all grown up now, but Wadi, we just go there and go wild. Atlantis, that leap of faith is my hardcore favorite.
Even we also missing Dubai. We are in Abu Dhabi. We cannot go these days, for lockdown. But we have time. We can go like after till 10 a.m. But the problem, I need to be in the home. I don't want to go outside till this finish.
Exactly, Hamad. Sajid
Yeah.
says the same thing. He's like, if it is not necessary, why venture out of the house? Unless it's very important, then take precautions and go. But why?
Good.
It's good to follow the lockdown orders. It's for our good and not
Yes.
take
It is not
chances.
for us
But I
only.
heard the
It's
malls
all,
have opened up sometime. No,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
malls
Malls
are
open. Cinemas is also open here by some
Yeah,
warnings.
Baghi was playing in one of the cinemas.
Yeah,
Yes, yeah.
Baghi is
Just day
playing
before
here.
yesterday, Baghi is playing. I'm so happy. Tiger will be so
But I
happy.
hope, yeah, I hope
Tiger will be
public
so
there.
happy.
But, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, I will complete with you more. I will give
Yes,
you another
please.
name.
It's interesting.
Because
I'm
you are
judged.
very intelligent, mashallah. This is little bit difficult, Warda. Listen to me.
Subhan.
And see मेरे इशारों को देखना.
Yes, sir.
Okay. القلب الذي يحب.
हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा.
वो गाना गाएगा.
So it is very funny, Hamad, when I was trying to understand Arabic. So I called my friend Kalbi, and she said, "Yalla, you're calling me dog." You are in my son. So she said, "Yalla, you're calling me dog." She said, "You have to be very careful." So I am very scared to say Kalbi word now.
Yeah, yeah. Because you know there is difference between qalb and kalb. It is from it's qaf, and that one from kaf. So kalb means dog, and qalb it means heart. Dil.
Yeah, that is one huge thing. Yes.
Okay, this one. Al Fawz. Fawz.
Yeah. Baghi.
Fawz.
Baghi.
Fawz.
It's an action film.
Yes.
Guys, what do you
Action
think? Just answer. Help me, guys.
Yeah, yeah. You can
What do you
take
think
help
Hamad
from
is
the public.
asking? Hamad, again, please.
Somebody give your answer.
Jeet.
Yes.
Yay! Thank you, my friend, for that help. Or even my mother is saying Jeet. Vinod is saying hello, hi. Queen Jeet. Oh, Queen 90. She also said Jeet. No, not Hero Panti. Jeet is the answer.
No, no, no. Jeet. Jeet. It's right. Jeet. Good. Okay. Al-Tawam. Al-Tawam. Tawam. Tawam.
Subhan is saying Judwa. Judwa
Yes,
too?
Judwa.
Or Judwa? Judwa. Did
Judwa,
anybody
yes,
answer
Judwa.
Judwa? Did anybody answer? Hi, Pallavi. Help me. Help me. See this. We are playing, what is this game called?
Judwa. Amira.
Yeah, somebody, Amira said Judwa.
Yeah, Amira from Dubai. She's saying hi.
Hi, Amira. Assalamualaikum. Judwa. Team
Okay.
Vardhan Aryabala is also saying Judwa. And Subhan also helped us. Sorry.
Okay, this is maybe it will be easy. الطريق العام.
Tariq is leave. Leave. Make space. Tariq.
طريق.
Road. Path.
Yeah, road. Okay, الطريق العام. Give me name of your movie.
Huh?
There is road, yeah.
Ukte paar ki gillari. Acha suit ta gillari. Highway.
Yes, highway.
Battaka Gudiyo.
Yes, highway.
Amira, oh my God, Amira knows all the movies so well. She again said highway. No, Chinta, Judwa. For the last one, yeah. Hemant, highway, yeah, thank you. They all get it, Subhan.
One of underrated movie and one of the best of 2000.
Everybody got it. Hamad,
Yeah.
but first Subhan got it. Priyal Gala is also saying highway. Best
Now they
superstar,
are
that's
written.
my brother. Hi, Fez. Hi, Kanu. Sorry.
Okay. This
Looks
one.
like my whole family is come. I'm actually
Whole
feeling like
family,
I'm sitting. Yeah, my whole family is here. My whole NG team is here. A lot of Insta
Okay.
friends are there. So happy to see them. Wahab Sheikh,
Mashallah.
Shubhan ma'am. Subhan, say hello. Just your hand, yeah. Okay. Sorry.
Salam alaikum for your all family. Salam alaikum.
No, they've. Hamad is saying salam alaikum to everyone and hello to all the friends.
Okay. There is 3 left. After
Yes.
3, we'll go to another
Yeah, let's
step.
play the game.
This is the name of a very underrated and very good movie you produced. The name of the movie in Arabic, Al-Masrahiyya. Al-Masrahiyya.
Nasra. Al-Nasra here.
المسرح أو المسرحية. مسرح.
The Masra.
Or
Giving no
مسرح.
clues now. Guys.
They are not helping? Somebody
what?
answer.
Tamasha? Yay!
Yes.
Subhan! No, very good.
Tamasha.
It was a beautiful film, yes.
Beautiful.
You liked it?
I love it. I give it 4 out of 5 in my review. And also there is one guy here, his name Yasser from Morocco. He's learning film directing from Morocco. Okay. He watched your movie more than 50 times, Tamasha.
Tamasha?
50 times.
Wow. Wow.
It's
one of my favorites also. Yeah. I saw Yasser came on the chat also just now.
Yeah, he's there. He's there. Yeah.
Hi Yasser. You have watched the movie 50 times. My God, you must have really loved it. Thank you, Shukran, my brother. It's a beautiful film. I love it too. What a movie. Good. Gorgeous.
What a movie. And so many things in the movie. Ranbir Kapoor acting, the music, the Deepika Padukone, the direction of Imtiaz Ali, and the choosing of the locations.
Yeah.
So many unique things in this movie, really. I love it.
Absolutely. It's one of my favorites also. My super favorites.
Great. Okay, अभी 2 बाकी हैं.
Yay! I'm enjoying this game, Hamad.
Really?
Yes, it's so fun.
It. Thank you so much.
Tam Sharan.
Yeah, this is 83 وثمانين.
3
وثمانين.
Super 30?
No. It is upcoming movie.
Yasser? 83.
Yes,
83.
Yes.
Subhan, thank you. Hamad, it is going to be historical. This movie is going to be historical because it is again about cricket. Is like we all love. It's like big thing in India and we all love it. And that was a time that 83 when India got the World Cup for the first time. So a lot of emotions and it's going to be so beautiful. I am so sure every theatre. This is what Randy told me in London. He said, you watch, every theatre will feel like a stadium. As if we are watching this match live. As if we don't know and we are watching it. That is how each theatre is going to be like a stadium, like a live match is being played.
Okay. अच्छा अभी 83 का ट्रेलर कब आएगा? क्योंकि अभी कुछ लॉकडाउन अभी कम होने वाला है. तो ट्रेलर कब आने वाला है फिल्म का? टीजर एटलीस्ट.
Actually, to be very honest, I'm not too sure, but hopefully, trailer तो आ ही सकता है ना, Hamad? That's a brilliant idea. Yes, I will sound it to Sajid, and Sajid in turn will speak with the other producers and Kabir. Yeah, but honestly, I don't have much knowledge because we really can't tell what is happening, Hamad, in the world. You know, vaccine is coming. Vaccine is. I'm very sure. June 15th के बाद there'll be, because Sajid keeps talking to his friends in the US and his doctor friends in the US. तो वो पूछते रहते हैं कि दवाई कब आएगी. तो hopefully by June 15th, hopefully let's see, vaccines भी जल्दी आ जानी चाहिए. News में हम इतना देखते हैं. तो things should be fine soon. And जैसे vaccine आ जाएगी, I think we'll be more confident.
Even in July, they will release in Hollywood one big movie in the cinemas for Russell Crowe. It's Russell Crowe starring movie. They will release in 3rd July. So maybe they have planning for that, I think. ऐसा कुछ लगता है.
Oh, that'll be so interesting, na? That'll be so. See, because right now, it is so difficult to tell before the vaccine के आने से पहले कुछ बोल नहीं सकते because cinema की capacity कितनी होगी? 30%.
Yes.
Not उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगी. तो it's a big risk, na?
Yeah, it's big risk.
It's a big
people
risk.
like maybe people like thinking more than 1 month, 2 months, then they will go to the cinemas.
Yeah.
लेकिन अगर
Yeah.
गवर्नमेंट पूरी दुनिया के गवर्नमेंट एक ही बात बोलेंगे कि अभी खतरा टल गया है, खत्म हो गया, तो आई थिंक द पब्लिक विल बी रिलीज फ्रॉम दिस.
Yeah.
They will be
Exactly.
yeah.
Exactly. So, and I think inshallah that will happen soon. Soon सब बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह.
इंशाल्लाह. अभी तो एक आखिरी नाम था, बोलना था या तो बोल दूंगा. आखिरी this last one.
Subhan.
The name is Come.
Subhan just went out to see. Today there was cyclone expected in Mumbai.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah, nothing. It is going smooth, not much damage. Subhan, hear the film. Hamad, let's go.
Yeah. Last one.
Oh.
The name is in Arabic, Dawlatain. Dawlatain.
2 states.
2 states.
Yes.
Mashallah, film right. 2 states. What a beautiful film that was also.
Yes. Mashallah, you have huge movies. So I just choose these movies to translate subtitles in Arabic.
Thank you so much, Hamad. This was so fun, really. All the singing and playing the game was so interesting.
Yeah, because of the time, I have also another game. It's a songs game, but the problem now, we have only 12 minutes left.
No. Yalla no.
जल्दी में बोल दूंगा वो दूसरा गेम.
Yes, सुबह
जल्दी. Yeah, this is ये गानों का सिलसिला है.
Yes.
आप गाने लगे हो आजकल, तो आपको ये अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है गानों के बारे में. ये जो मेरा क्वेश्चन रहेगा, मैं सिंगर्स का नाम दूंगा, आप जल्दी फटाफट उनका कौन सा भी गाना बोल देना.
चलो.
कोई भी है, मेरे दिमाग में बोल दूंगा. ठीक है?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, first one. कविता कृष्णमूर्ति.
ना जाने कहाँ से आई है, ना जाने कहाँ से जाएगी, ना बड़ी अफसोस की है बात.
Yes. Oh my God, what happened?
Sorry, we have to stay within 12 minutes.
Very nice song. Okay. Alka Yagnik.
अगर तुम साथ हो, और ऐसा कहने, पल भर ठहर जाओ दिल ये. I am a singer now, Subhan. Sorry, I'm in a very singing mode. So in my head, I'm a very good singer. And my family's like, okay, quiet.
Wow. Mukesh.
Oh God.
अरे कल राज कपूर का बर्थडे एनिवर्सरी था.
Yeah. Oh wow, you remember.
तो राज कपूर सब गाने मुकेश के हैं ना?
Yeah. Subhan, give me some nice song. Yeah, my this favorite Subhan, which is a song that Dad also likes so much. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. Sajid loves this song. How could I forget? It's his favorite.
Yes.
Muhammad
Aziz.
Muhammad Aziz. Subhan. This will be a difficult one. Give me clues, Hamad.
अरे दुनिया में कितना गम है, गम कितना कम है, लोगों का गम देखा. Okay, this one of the best songs.
Please complete that verse. You sing so well, Hamad. Really.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you sing so well. It's a lovely
because
song.
I'm copying them only. I don't have voice, but I'm copying them.
No, your voice was very nice. Seriously. It was, you sang it very good.
मोहम्मद अजीज ने गाना बोल दिया आपको. तो
Very nice song. So when you got any Mohammed Rafi, this is beautiful song.
okay, I will give you
Yes.
आजकल का जो अरिजीत सिंह है.
Arijit Singh. तेरी गलियां नहीं नहीं wait. नहीं. I don't know. There's so many songs of Arijit. तेरी गलियां. See. See no दूसरा. तेरी गलियां is not Arijit. What's wrong with me?
अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद.
अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना मेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे स्वाद रखना दिल की संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना. Okay, my son is saying enough. You know how it is. Yeah, but that's what my son is saying. You know, I always feel it is a very weird feeling that when Ramzan is going, I always feel as if Ramzan is telling me this. I swear, I actually feel like, because for me everything is in song, so much. It always feels as if Ramzan is saying this and he's going, and I'm like, no, don't go so fast.
Yes.
Yeah.
Every
This
time
song
something like
reminds me of
that.
Ramzan. Yeah. My mom is again giving kisses. Sorry, Hamad.
माशाल्लाह. मम के लिए एक मोहम्मद रफी का गाना हो जाए.
मैम के लिए एक मोहम्मद रफी का गाना. सुभान. Give me first. I'm so bad.
कोई भी मोहम्मद रफी का गाना शमी कपूर पे, या फिर दिलीप कुमार पे, या फिर धर्मेंद्र पे, या फिर जितेंद्र पे.
बहारों फूल बरसाओ मेरा महबूब आया है. I can't even sing that song.
Wow.
मेरा महबूब आया है. Mommy, that was for you.
Wow.
What a singer he was, no? And I
Yes.
think even today, oh my God, my son just showed me one nice song. Is it from Mohammed Rafi's? क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम वो इरादा ढूंढेगा दिल जिस दिन तुम्हें वो दिन जिंदगी का आखिर. My son is holding his hands for me to stop singing. Afifa is loving my song. My sister-in-law, thanks.
क्या हुआ याद है मुझको तूने कहा था एक दिन न छूटेंगे भी कभी. Wow, this song is very nice song.
What a beautiful song.
I don't want
Yes.
to be selfish, Warda. There is maybe some questions, maybe I missed them. Maybe you see some questions, you want to answer them. Like
Rishabh is saying, wow, thank you so much. Vaisen
Queen
is,
saying,
he's saying, what a duet. we sang it, thank you, Vaisen. Vaisen Zowega. Syed Ali Abbas is saying this. Pallavi is saying, what a voice. You are my sister-in-law, that's why you like it. My mummy is saying, tera dil diwana hai. Dil tera diwana hai sanam. Dil tera diwana hai sanam. Jante ho tum. कुछ ना कहेंगे हम. Oh, Sajid Samji is here. He was.
wow, Sajid here.
Hi, what's up? He's saying. Oh, Mahabat. I was telling you about my friend from Dubai. Yes, Mahabat, my sister, love you. So I called her Maha yesterday. I said, I'm having this live chat with Hamad tomorrow. Give me nice Arabic words to, just look very cool. She never gave me that. I threatened her, but she still never gave me.
About Sajid Samji, he's from Hyderabad, I know. Is it
Sajid
from?
Samji, they are Sajid and Farhad. They were a team. They did Houseful, writing, and
Yeah, but they are from Hyderabad, India.
Oh,
Hyderabad city, I think, because I believe Hyderabad people, they have humor, very good humor.
Yes, people from Hyderabad. Really, I have a lot of friends from Hyderabad, and Sajid has done so many Telugu films.
Yeah.
So he says this land is actually helped me make a lot of money, and I did my schooling in South. So he says South is the best for me. So yeah, I've done my schooling in Karnataka. I was there for like 10 years. So
okay, there is one guy, his name Anwar from Saudi Arabia. He's writing in Arabic. كب when we'll see another cooperation with Sunny Deol in Nadia Dwala movies, because I think he's a big fan of Sunny Deol.
Oh, Triple Soul. Sunny and SN are very much in touch. They talk very often. Yes, I will tell Sajid and I will give him your suggestion. What was his
How
name?
about this? How about this idea to take Sunny Deol in Houseful 5, like in some appearance, cameo? अचानक आ
That's a
जाता है
very
फिल्म के अंदर.
interesting thought. That's a very interesting thought. Sure. I am going to suggest this to Sajid. I'm going to tell him to. It's a very interesting thought. Yeah, Sunny Deol and Houseful. I will tell him. Who? Atyab Zahir. How are you? I'm good. Vivek, hi. Bhushan Sandhu. Hello, ma'am. Hi. Dhruva Bhardwaj. Why are you laughing? I want to know why you're laughing. To see his answers.
Schooling from, okay.
2.5 kilo ka haath, my mother is saying. She's very naughty.
Okay, your mother
2.5
said.
kilo ka haath.
That's khatam. Your mother said.
Kapila, you said something. Lots of love, lots of love. My sister-in-law is saying beautiful. Neil, nice tip, dude. What, Neil? I don't know. Hi. You take the question for me, Hamad. Bhushan. Hoodie बहुत अच्छी है. Thank you.
قلها يا بختك. Okay, she's from Layla. She's from Morocco.
Right.
She's
Wow.
written in Arabic. يا بخت ساجد بها إنسانة ظريفة واجتماعية. Yeah, she's saying in Arabic, Sajid, he's very lucky. You are so much cute and funny person to have you in his life.
Shukran. This message I'm going to give him the first one. This from all the messages, this will be the first one. That this is what has been told to you. That is, it feels so nice to hear these such beautiful comments. And you know, I was just telling someone yesterday, hey, such a beautiful world. This is not digital world. We don't know each other. We just meet each other digitally, and we like and love and shower so much love. So yes, this. I love these people who have so much love in their heart. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Warda, we have like 1 minute and a half. You want to say something before we closing this live? You know, live is going quickly.
I had so much time. I had so much fun doing this chat, Hamad. Shukran. First of all, thank you so much for having me. I just want to say our Mother Earth is going through a tough time. So just have faith, just pray, and just be vigilant. Don't worry, don't stress yourself, but just take care of yourself. There's nothing to be stressed about in taking stress. Just take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your people around. Spread happiness, spread love. Let the humanity shine. And Hamad, strangely you saw this, how people are standing up for each other, doing so much stuff for each other. So humanity is shining. So this horrible virus ne kuch to acha diya hai. Don't be scared of it. It's a very weak virus. Keep washing your hands. Keep sanitizing yourself. Inshallah, we will all be great. We will have good times back.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and say hi to Sajid from my side. Maybe he will remember me. And मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करने का. और I hope that आपको भी अच्छा लगा मेरे से बात करने का.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत मजा आई गेम्स खेलने में और गाने की गेम्स खेलने में. It was really so fun. Thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you so much.
Masalama.
السلام عليكم. مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
طبعا خلص اللايف مع وردة نادية دوالا. وردة نادية دوالا مثل ما شفتوها يعني وايد مفعمة بالحيوية, and she's very joyful person, and she have very good knowledge about cinema, about singing, also about life and how to control people by her smile and her way of talk. Because of that, I liked to do and I love to do again live with her inshallah in the future. Thank you so much for watching. شكرا جزيلا على المشاهدة ونشوفكم على خير إن شاء الله, ومع ضيوف قادمين with another personalities inshallah in the future. You will see them in my live. شكرا جزيلا and see you next time very soon. السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته. حمد سيف، الرياض.